how to change language on the Alibaba app on your Android device. So open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. On the bottom, you'll see 5 options. Tap on My Alibaba option, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on it, tap on the settings icon, which is located on the top right corner. There you can see a language option right below the currency. Tap on it, and from here you can select your preferred language. And it is that easy. If you guys want to see more videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.